All right, kids, lesson 8, level 6. Just practicing some debugging things. And most of these are probably going to be, there is an enhanced for loop in there, and you are inadvertently trying to change that, the list that you are kind of for eaching, if you will. And we need to change that. So let's go to hotel reservations and see what's up here. So when I run it, I get that there's an error. There's this concurrent modifications exception. So that means I am trying to change a list while I am going through the iteration process. So when I go down here to this method, I see that there is an enhanced for loop, a for each loop. And when I remove something from reservations, I am changing that list. And that is what is not allowed when you're using enhanced for loops, because it's messing up my iteration. So in Hotel Runner, I'm adding some reservations. So let's, I don't need to do anything. So I just need to go back here and change this. So I am going to, this is the only stuff I need to remove. And I should have copied this before I did it. It's called reservations is the list. And so I will go for primitive int I equals 0. Oh, nope, I equals the reservations size -1, because we start at the end and move forwards. And I want to keep doing this as long as I is greater than or equal to 0. Either of those would work. And I want to decrement I by 1 every time. And what I would like to do is I need to remove the ID. So if the reservations dot get at index I. Now this is an int, it's not a string, so I can do this. I can, if it equals ID, then you want to remove it. So I want to take the reservations dot remove, oh not remore, remove the thing that is it at index I. That should do the trick. Let's see if it works. Oh, of course. Oh, that's so. I need to get reservation number. So get ID. I forgot that I got to use get ID. So dot get ID. Let's see if this runs now. There you go. And I still don't like the way that is. Well, maybe that is what I have to do, because there probably isn't a fancy two-string method here. I don't see one. I don't think there's a fancy. There is a two-string method here, but it just goes reservation and then colon, then ID. So that is kind of how it printed out here. Reservation ID 100, reservation ID 50. It's still in an array, so that's what it is. So that should work. Let's run the test, see if the test turns out okay. Yeah. So we removed 3. What if we removed 1? That would remove the 3 from our list. Oh no, there is. Didn't do what I thought it was going to do. I thought it would reserve, if I want to remove 0, Why is that doing that? Oh, because it's the ID number I'm removing. Never mind. I got it, kids. All's good.